I need some help with troubleshooting intertherm furnace problems.
I can help you with that. There are some basic things you can do to troubleshoot whatever problems you are having.
Okay, what do I do? I am a willing student.
I am not really sure of the nature of your problem, but a common occurrence with intertherm furnaces is that the furnace is blowing cold air instead of warm.
You are psychic. That is exactly the problem I am having.
Well, you are in luck, Buttercup, because I know how to remedy that. First, take off the panel on the front of the furnace. You may need to unscrew it. Once you have done that, you should be able to take out a shiny box that is inside. Inside this box you will find a limit switch. Make sure the limit switch is set to 90, 120 or 200. These are standard furnace settings.
Okay, that doesn't sound too difficult. What else should I do?
Once you are sure that you have the limit switch on the right setting, you simply use a white switch to reset the blower.
That sounds simple enough. What if the blower doesn't start operating at this point?
Well, at that point, if you have reset the switch and it still is not working, it may be time to call in a repairman. You can only do so much when troubleshooting intertherm furnace problems.
Oh, the dreaded repairman. I hope it doesn't have to come to that.
Well, if it does, make sure that you get someone who is qualified and equipped to deal with intertherm furnaces.
I will certainly do that, and you have been most helpful.
Thank you for that, and my tip jar is on the table.